No offence, but why are you so unbelievably ugly?
Ugly? What is ugly?
Features not arranged in an aesthetically pleasing manner?
What's aesthetic, Kate?
Oh, never mind.
Anything else I can help you with?
Is this one of those ancient backward cultures sort of things?
And what you call backwards?
Inventing complicated torture techniques before discovering fire.
In that case, no way. We needed fire to warm the coffee up. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there any way of getting off the island?
Island? What island?
The one you live on?
Oh, I don't know. I've never been outside the coffee shop. Anything else I can help you with?
How come you only have decaf coffee?
There's just nothing wrong for regular stuff. Everyone else round here seems to like it. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, not unless you can point me towards a naturist beach. Hello there.
Hey, man, you after anything, man?
Yo, what's happening, man? How's it hanging? Word up.
Safe, man. Sorted. You up for anything, man?